Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Wallet and tap Apple Cash to start setup and verification steps. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity with your name and birth date. You may need to provide the last 4 digits of your social security number. Turn on Send and Receive in Messages so others can send you Apple Cash directly. You do not need a physical card to receive funds into Apple Cash. This setup lets you accept payments that live in your Apple Cash balance. Open Messages and start a conversation with the person sending money. Tap the Apple Pay button and enter the amount to request or to send. Choose Pay or Request and authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. When someone sends Apple Cash, accept the transfer, and it goes directly into your Apple Cash balance. You will see the updated balance inside Wallet once the payment completes. This method requires only Apple Cash and no physical payment card at all. To get money out of Apple Cash without a card, open Wallet and choose Transfer to Bank. Enter your bank routing and account numbers and confirm the account ownership. Choose the standard transfer option so you avoid needing a debit card for instant transfer. Standard transfers typically post in 1 to 3 business days after you submit them. Confirm the exact timing with your bank if you need precise timing. Keep your Apple Cash balance visible until the transfer fully completes to.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.